through the 1FinForce app. I am currently logged in as an owner, so this gives me full visibility of the entire organization, be it the financials, the inventory, and the logistics. Let's get into it. So once you log into 1FinForce, you'll be met on the dashboard page. Your dashboard will give you key metrics such as your financials, your inventory, as well as your logistics. To get into it further, in the financials, we have advanced stats like your total income collected, total expenses, total profit, monthly cash flow, and net cash flow. Under your inventory page, we'll have your incoming stock quantity, your available stock quantity, as well as the amount of product lines you have. Under logistics, we have the outgoing shipments, incoming shipments, as well as any delayed shipments that need your attention. We have some advanced graphs that just shows you the forecast of your year. So in this case here, we have visibility to know that in October, we have quite a bit of income coming in. And on the opposite end, we have the expense forecast. So now we know that August is going to be our most expensive month. Moving away from the dashboard, I'll go through to our income section. Again, when we go into the income section, on the top we'll have some statistics such as total outstanding, income past due, and so on. We'll have some of the use case buttons here, such as adding a product sale, general income. When we add a product sale, we'll be able to select the customer, add the invoice details, add any products that the sale is associated to, and any shipping. When we update all of this information here, it will trickle down into the various teams, such as your inventory team and logistics teams, and update their tables. If you're in a service-based business, we also have general income. So if you just have sales revenue that don't involve any inventory or logistics, you can add that too. We also get very easy to read and understand tables that just show the customer categories, the cost, and the payment statuses in a very simple and easy to digest way. We have easy filters that the user can filter by. In this case here, I'm just searching by all of the overdue. Within 1FinForce, we also have a built-in CRM register. So this allows us to keep track of all of our customers, any information that we need from them, such as their key contacts, the addresses, email addresses, and so on. Moving on to expenses. Expenses is basically the reverse. Again, we have the statistics right on top here, such as the total pay, total outstanding. We have our use case buttons, such as creating product orders or general expenses. And again, very simple and easy to understand table. There's the recipient details, categories, tax status, cost, and payment status. For the tax status, when we're creating product orders, we can actually specify if it's tax claimable. This just makes reporting much easier. In the same way, we can keep track of all of our payees. Moving on, we have our inventory section. This is where your inventory team shines. And just by the way, once again, I am logged in as the product owner of this organization, so I have full visibility. But if you have team members who are only involved with inventory, you can specify their roles, which I'll show a bit later. This way, they don't need to see your income or logistics. They just focus on what they need to see. So under your inventory section, on top we have some key statistics. We have our use case buttons such as creating product orders, product sales, or adding a new product. And we have, again, an easily digestible table. Product names, available stock, incoming stock, low stock thresholds, as well as the statuses of it. And right at the bottom here, we have the incoming stock orders where your inventory team can see what's currently on the orders. And when they receive it, all they have to do is mark it as received. We also get a full audit history of the inventory. So all of the stock going out, all of the stock coming in, any stock movements, all of that gets recorded in your inventory history. This way you can see exactly where your stock is and avoid missing links. And lastly, moving on to our logistics team. We have on top total outgoing shipments, total incoming shipments. We have the type of shipments that we can filter by, as well as the statuses of it. And again, we have very easily digestible tables just showing the key information for the team, such as the tracking number, reference code, products, ETAs, transaction types, and so on. And that's where your logistics teams can always keep it up to date with the latest status, so all of the teams have visibility on where the shipment is. Moving on to our personal settings, we have our profile where we can set all of the information to the latest values. We have our company settings, which this tab is only available to the company owner or admins. This is a place where you can add new users to your team, control who is actually in your team, as well as control billing. So let's say if we get a new team member, all I'll have to do is add their email address here, add whatever team they're associated to, and send an invite. We can also control all of the employees in our organization. So we can see which members are active And if, for example, AK Consulting leaves the company, we can remove that user. This is just a brief overview of some of the capabilities of 1FinForce. If you need a demo more catered to how your business works, please feel free to book a free demo with us. Have a great day. Cheers.